More shoppers have turned to online grocery shopping and baking at home than ever before. But will these trends continue once we emerge from COVID-19? Let's take a look. In 2020, customers in every age group turned to apps like Instacart, Amazon, and Walmart for grocery delivery services, often for the first time. According to reports, grocery delivery services spiked 200% in the months after the pandemic first hit, and online sales of bread and baked goods increased 42% when compared to last year. Baking at home and stockpiling large amounts of groceries are predicted to be short-term trends as people's lives shift back to pre-pandemic routines. However, a survey conducted by AMC Global found 32% of respondents say they plan to continue making more home-cooked meals. It's anyone's guess whether these trends will stick around post-crisis, but the way people shop for food has changed, and the pandemic has definitely played a role in that. While the statistics show the majority of people are still doing their own shopping, it's important for retailers to remain cognizant of new technologies as they emerge. Regardless of where they purchase their baked goods, customers will continue to expect the quality and experiences they're used to. For food manufacturers, it will be more important than ever to communicate and showcase the quality and freshness of their products. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.